Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Jump to the plant, just the usual, look. Okay, so these are our prime birds. So we're just going to show you them. Show them the birds.
So there's one pigeon, two pigeon, three pigeon.
And if you see any corner over there, there's a chook laying on eggs.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. Budgies, I'm going to take you for a tour inside. So, this is a millet we buy. Premium stuff, get it from your local store. Right, Jim, you want to get some food and put it in there for them? So, this is our house. And Jimmy's about to feed these birds. I'm a silly lover. These are our budgies. You can sell them, I'll put it in the link in the bio below. Okay, Jimmy, do you have any food?
I'll just pour
Jimmy.
out the old food.
So that's their old food.
Yeah.
The pigeons will probably go down and get it. We had a nasty old bugger rooster who stepped on our quail. True. A little bit disappointed about, but yeah.
There's only $2.
We sell this in the link in the bio below, so. Postman driving a little bit past there. So we're in Australia. Very cold weather, as you can see, it's a bit dewy. Birds.
Just pecking at the old food.
Yep. That's our good chook there. She's the nice one. Okay, yep, that'll be enough, Jim.
Put it down.
Yep, they should peck at that soon. Especially them pigeons. Always go check out for these pigeons. They're very naughty. There's the birds done. Let's walk and show them the backyard. Oh yeah, we're fans of PC, Flare, all them guys. We're just trying to be like them.
And there's our dog now.
Hey now. Say hello to the viewers.
She could be on heat.
Yeah, hopefully we get puppies out of her soon. She's a good dog. Now, do you want to come with us to show them our tour? So, we're just going to show them down the back of our house. Heaps of geckos. We'll try and find you some peel off a few trees to see what we can do. Go have a look for some geckos. Oh, I love to shoot at basketball.
We're homeschooling today.
Yep. Get the exercise up. So, going down the back of our house, look for geckos.
It's freezing in bare feet.
Oh, tree. Dewy grass, nothing worse. Not enough geckos really at this time of year.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at all these baby spiders. If you can see them in there.
Oh yeah.
See all them eggs? Look at them. Millions. I don't reckon we do this tree anymore. Yeah.
Nah. I'm not sure if they're out in this cold weather, but we'll just give it a bit of a shot and then we'll show you our fish.
Yep. Hopefully they're up and firing. We can feed the bait fish who are very hungry all the time.
No geckos. Just down here, Baspy.
Any cool things there?
Feet are so numb.
Yep. Bug on there.
I'm not sure if they're out.
I don't reckon they're out, but we'll still have a few more looks.
A few more trees.
Oh, spiders. Oh, there he goes. He's in there.
Little spider. And a couple of birds. They have a really weird noise. Comment down below if you know what birds they are.
Oh, what's this?
It's like a mushroom.
Comment below if you know what that is. Go look at the pass. Stuck up there in the tree.
Oh, right. I don't know if you can see it, but there he is.
Let's look for some fish or something in here.
Yeah.
Give us this. Oh, is that a turtle? Oh, comment below if you see that. Huge turtle. I'm just going to watch the water, see if it comes up again. Oh, the fish is, these time of year, the fish has been jumping like crazy. The Murray cod, they've been going crazy.
I've been blowing up some minnows.
Yeah, we've been releasing minnows in here and they just, boom, straight up and got them. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, they're jumping. They are jumping like crazy. Oh my gosh, this time of year. They flow through this time of year. Good fishing. Ooh! Oh! Right up close near the bank. Gosh, this time of year. Comment below if you want to see us do some cast netting or something here. That'd be kind of cool, I reckon.
Up to the house.
Up to the house we go.
I think we've got some shrimp nets in at the moment. I think there's one actually down there right now.
Right, let's go check.
And I've got a big one.
Oh, that bird, I want to, oh, there it is. Like a blue jay or something. Comment below if you know. What? Yeah, oh, here we go. See if we've got anything cool. Some idiots sometimes come down and check them, which is kind of frustrating, but see what we got. Very clear this kind of year.
Oh, checked it and left it open.
Oh, far out. It's annoying.
Oh, I think that stuffed it up for us.
Oh, you're joking.
No. Got a whopping nothing because them people. Oh no, this one can't zip up. They must have broke the zip, them people.
Ah, them bloody idiots. Comment below if that happens to you. Oh, there's a duck. Lots of life along this Campaspe River. That's very cool. Oh my gosh, they are jumping like crazy. They are jumping like crazy. See them holes along, if I can get in there. See them holes along there? That's some platypus going in there, having their nest. Actually seen a few. I was swimming here sometimes. But in the summertime, fish feeding time. Walk up here.
I saw an empty tank.
Yeah, comment